In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a preloader to a Wix website. With just a few simple steps, you can make your website more engaging by keeping visitors entertained as they wait for your page to load. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where you'll be making all the adjustments for your website. As you navigate the editor, you might notice various tools and elements on your sidebar. Among those, look for the option labeled Add Elements and give it a click. This action opens up a world of different components that can enhance your site. Next, to embed your preloader, we'll use an HTML embed. Start by selecting Embed Code from the available list. It's a handy tool that lets you incorporate external HTML or scripts into your Wix site seamlessly. After that, another option will appear, Embed HTML. This is the specific function we need, so make sure to select it. Now, let's shift gears for a moment. We'll be sourcing our preloader from an external site, so unfortunately, you'll need to leave the Wix editor briefly. Head over to freefrontend.com. It's a treasure trove of modern CSS animations and designs, perfect for our needs. Browse through their collection of loaders and select one that you feel complements the style of your website. Once you've chosen a loader, you'll want to fetch its HTML code. You should see an option labeled HTML, which you'll click to reveal the code. Now simply copy this code. It's what you'll integrate into your Wix site to get that preloader working. Let's switch back to the Wix editor. You're almost there now. Find the HTML component that you set up earlier. This is where you'll paste the code you just copied from Free Frontend. With that, you've embedded the preloader into your page. The last thing you need to do is click Update, which will save the changes to your website. Now your preloader is live and ready to entertain your visitors as your website loads. Adding a preloader is a fantastic way to enhance the user experience on your site. Not only does it keep viewers engaged, but it also provides a functional visual that covers loading times. By following these steps, you've successfully added a creative element that sets your Wix website apart. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to make your website not just visually engaging, but also more professional. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other videos for even more tips on enhancing your online presence. Now go ahead and enjoy your freshly improved Wix site.